Good morning, Year 6. I hope that you've been enjoying your first week of distance learning. I bet you've learned a lot, not just about science stuff. Okay, so as you know, we've got a stream. Here's the Year 6 science page on Google Classroom. There's a few people who still need to access that. If you're one of those people, you need to access this. Let's have a look. So for me, we go to classwork. You're going to do your assignments. And it says we've got one assignment here. It says this week, you need to open the presentation shared with you. Here it is. And once you have done this, watch the video in the first slide, make a copy. You must share this copy with me and then set about working on completing the task on each slide. As expected, this will take you about 2 hours to complete. You should submit this as part of the Google Classroom assignment. Now, that's quite an important bit because at the moment I've got 13 of you having to assign to you and only 3 turning it in. So let's have a look. If I click on the space slide, it opens up my Google slide that you're going to make a copy of, and it's got a little video here which tells you how to do that. On each of the other slides, we've got a question. So it says mind map, everything about you already know about space. If you're not sure what a mind map is, we've got some videos down here at the bottom, but it says right on this page, or if you use paper, then take a photo and then you stick it on the page. We've given all your work together in one place. That's a really good way to do this, okay? After you've done your mind map of everything you already knew about space, you're going to write your own mnemonic. Now, it's quite key that it's your own one. Copying one off the internet is not your own, okay? Try and come up with your own. For example, if the first 3 planets were Mercury, Venus, Earth, then you might start off with muddy vampires eat. You could do, I don't mind what you put down as your ones. Anyway, you need to have all of the planets. Remember that Pluto is no longer a planet. Big cry there, because it's a planet, a dwarf planet. There's lots of planetoids within our solar system. You might find out more about those. Anyway, there's a little bit of information about how to remember planets. And there's a little video here as well. Awesome. Next slide, it says discuss Pluto and its transition from a planet to a dwarf planet. You can't see it says dwarf planet, but it's behind my little picture there. Let me move myself down. There we go. To a dwarf planet. So you have to research what happened. There's a little bit of extra information there in the notes along the bottom. It'll help you do that. There's a little video that tells you about it as well. I'm good at these video inserts. And lastly, slide number 5. Almost done. It says research the characteristics of planets. And this is a big task. It says for each of the 8 planets in our solar system, find out what conditions are like. You should include the side, what it's made of, how far it is from the sun, how many moons it has, the length of the day and the year in Earth time. Obviously, a year is a year everywhere, and a day is a day everywhere. However, the number of hours, Earth hours, it will vary. And why it's named what it is and when it was first discovered. I've got a little video clip on the bottom that'll help you to do it. Now, if you are having trouble submitting, in the stream, I've included a note that says how to submit your work on Google Classroom. Watch the video, okay? It's about a minute long, and it tells you how to submit your work, okay? I hope this helps. Have a lovely week. I'm looking forward to seeing all these presentations completed and uploaded into the Google Classroom, okay? Have a good week. Take care. Bye-bye.